Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to add your website to your X profile using the X mobile app. Whether you're promoting a business, sharing your personal blog, or linking to your portfolio, adding your website to your X profile is a quick and easy way to help people discover more about you. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to add the website. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top left corner, tap your profile picture. This will open the sidebar where you can access your account details and settings. Next, select the profile option to head straight to your X profile page. Here, you'll see your banner, your display name, and your bio. Right below your header, you'll notice a button that says Edit Profile. Tap on it to access editing options for your display name, bio, profile photo, and website link. Now, find the section labeled Website. This is the space where you can add your personal or professional link, for example, your online store, your YouTube channel, or your portfolio site. Tap that website field and type or paste your website URL carefully. Double check that the address is complete and correct so that it sends visitors to the right place. After entering your website, look toward the top right and tap Save. Once you do that, your X profile will instantly update to show your new website link. Visitors to your profile can now click your link to learn more about you or your projects outside the platform, and that's all it takes. In just a few taps, you've made your X profile more professional and more engaging. Adding your website is one of the best ways to connect your social presence with what you do online. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more quick X tutorials like this one.